Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and there's nothing worse than starting to paint something outside and a leaf or a twig falls on it and ruins it. So I was so happy to find this PLANTIONAL paint tent. I like it not only because it comes in its own little carrying case, it doesn't take up too much space, it's easy to stick in a little drawer with the rest of my painting gear. But I also like that it's a pop-up. So just in a second, you can take it out of its case and pop, there it is, a tent. It has a really good mesh in the back that allows the paint to vent out. It protects it. Sometimes I will just put something in it to anchor it like a brick or a rock in case it is windy. But it has allowed me to be able to paint so many things. I paint my candle containers, signs. I sometimes will paint items for jewelry. It even has a little tag on the top where you can hook things and let something hang if you're needing to paint on the sides, the bottoms, in all directions. So you don't have to worry about the paint sitting down on the surface and getting stuck. So this has been a really help to me. I think if you are someone that's having to paint a lot, but you don't have a paint station or a place that has protection from the elements, I think this is a really great option. It's a very high quality. I really liked the design. It is a great solution for anybody who has struggled with these same paint issues that I have. So I hope this is something that can be helpful to you, and that's my point of view.